Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most fundamental concepts in data science and artificial intelligence, the bias-variance trade-off. Whether you are coming from a classical statistics background or the fast-paced world of machine learning, this concept is the frontier where models succeed or fail. Today, we bridge the gap between simple linear models and complex neural networks. In classical statistics, rooted in the works of Gauss and Legendre, the goal was often inference. We used simple models, like ordinary least squares, to understand the relationship between variables. These models are usually high bias. They make strong assumptions. They assume the world is linear. Statistics taught us to fear bias above all else, seeking unbiased estimators. However, as we transitioned into the era of big data and machine learning, the objective shifted from inference to prediction. We started using algorithms like decision trees, support vector machines, and deep neural networks. These models are incredibly flexible. They don't assume linearity. They can wiggle to fit any data. But this flexibility comes at a cost: high variance. Let's define our first protagonist, bias. Bias is the error introduced by approximating a real-life problem, which may be extremely complicated, by a much simpler model. Think of it as a preconceived notion. If you believe the relationship is a straight line, but it's actually a parabola, your model will never be able to capture the truth, no matter how much data you throw at it. This is called underfitting. Now meet the second protagonist, variance. Variance refers to the amount by which your model's prediction would change if you estimated it using a different training data set. A model with high variance is hypersensitive. It interprets the random noise in the training data as if it were a real pattern. When it sees new, unseen data, it fails miserably because the noise has changed. This is called overfitting. To visualize this, imagine a bullseye target. A model with low bias and low variance hits the center consistently. High bias means you are consistently away from the center. You missed the mark. High variance means your shots are scattered everywhere. In machine learning, we usually start with high bias, simple models, and move towards high variance, complex models, trying to find the sweet spot. Mathematically, the total expected error of a model can be decomposed into three components. First, the square of the bias. Second, the variance. And third, the irreducible error, the noise in the universe that no model, no matter how perfect, can eliminate. As model complexity increases, bias decreases, but variance increases. This is the trade-off. How do we solve this struggle? In modern machine learning, we use techniques like regularization, Lasso and Ridge, to punish complexity, or ensemble methods like random forests and boosting to average out variance. We also use cross-validation to ensure our model generalizes. The goal is not to eliminate bias or variance entirely, but to balance them to minimize the total error. In summary, the journey from statistics to machine learning is a balancing act. We moved from rigid models that were stubborn, high bias, to flexible models that are distracted, high variance. Mastering the bias-variance trade-off is the difference between a model that looks good on paper and a model that works in the real world. References: 1. Hastie, T. Tiburani, R. Friedman, J. The Elements of Statistical Learning. 2. James G. Witten, D. Hastie, T. Tiburani, R. An Introduction to Statistical Learning. 3. Bishop, C. M. Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning. 4. Gujarati, D. N. Basic Economics.